Welcome into a brand new episode of WSI TV. Enjoy the show.
Welcome back for a brand new edition of WSI TV. I'm joined once again by Tyler Dressel and Mary Kate Mulligan.
Hi guys, welcome on back. Before we get started, remember to, as always, head on over to WSITV.com so you can access the free daily newsletters as well as sign up for the WSI TV Vault.
Right, now Tyler, I'll let you explain what's going on with Mary Kate's face here, because I'm sure you're all wondering why she has her face painted like that.
Okay, yeah, so last week we did a Wheel of Misfortune spin, and Mary Kate got the shorter end of the stick, and here she is, dressed up as a clown. So
yeah, that's exactly right. So for your entertainment here, you get to look at Mary Kate as a clown. I painted it myself. I know it's a great job I did, but it'll be all episodes, so you know, you're welcome for this entertainment right here. We've got a new game for you today, and of course we're calling it Guess the Ticker on Your Face or the Liquor You Will Chase. We each have a Dow stock ticker. We're going to put it on our foreheads. We get 3 questions and a little news fact about the stock, and we have to guess it correctly.
Yes. All right, so I will go first. Mine is for Jordan. So Jordan, I'm going to put this on your forehead. Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Hopefully it sticks.
Okay.
All right, now you got a little
so yeah, I have a little intro. So the well-known CEO of this company has been relatively open about the fact that the company wants to get involved in crypto in some way, and just recently the company came out with a statement that they will be focusing on Bitcoin futures for investment and money-making functions.
All right.
So you get to ask 3 questions.
What sector is it in?
It is financial services.
All right. How many letters is the ticker?
Oh, 2.
It's 2. All right. What price range is it in? Give me a $10 price range.
All right. It is from, we will say, $220 to $230. $220 to $230.
And it's two letters in the ticker. I'm trying to blank here. Financial sector.
Yes.
A bank.
It is.
Let's see.
A well-known CEO, like whose name you would know.
Two letters in the ticker? I give up. I'm drawing a blank.
Okay, I'll tell you the CEO.
Yeah. Who's the CEO?
Lloyd Blankfein.
Oh, Goldman Sachs.
Yes.
All right. Does that count?
I don't know. I don't think it counts.
I think we should make it count.
I think you're going to have to wear a hat.
I don't have to put on the hat. I got it right. All right, moving on. Let's do Mary Kate next. Tyler, you have her sticky note, correct?
I do.
On top of the
I don't know if
face
it's going to
paint.
stick on this or not, but we'll try.
All right, what we got?
All right, so for the intro, this is a very well-known company.
Okay.
Very familiar with it. Not to give too much away or anything. Just last week it reported earnings, and they exceeded expectations, but since then they've dropped. Okay. And do you want more hints?
No, what sector is it?
Technology.
Okay.
You have 2 more questions.
I know. I don't know what to ask.
Price, maybe?
Sure, yeah. What's the price range?
Under 100. I don't know if that narrows it down enough or not.
Okay. How many letters?
4.
Okay.
That's all
I'll give you a hint. It was used in our last 3-way head-to-head versus round.
They were all technology.
And I believe it was used in. I'm not gonna say anymore.
Oh, they reported earnings last week and beat and now down. I'm gonna say Microsoft.
Yeah.
Nice.
MSFT, Microsoft. You got it right. All right.
Yes.
So that's 2 for 2.
All right.
Now, Mary Kate.
Oh, I don't know if yours count. counted.
Well, mine counted. I gave you more. All right, now if you want to put this on Tyler's forehead and have him guess. Now, Tyler, this company, their products were used to create the longest seawall in the world, located in South Korea. The company is American, but the seawall is located in South Korea.
Can you give me the first letter of the ticker?
The first letter is C.
C?
Yeah.
What sector?
It's in the industrial sector.
Industrial?
You got one more question
This
here.
is gonna make me feel dumb. I feel like this is...
At least he gets to choose the hat.
No,
that he
this
gets
is
to wear if he
a
loses
tricky
it.
one.
Where's it based out of? Did you already tell me that?
The U.S. Yeah.
U.S.
Yeah.
I don't know. I got it. I'm gonna
give
draw
up?
a blank. Yeah, I'm gonna draw a blank.
All right, it's Caterpillar CAT.
Oh my God.
So Tyler, you get to pick one of these hats to wear for the rest of the episode.
Yes.
We have this one, which Mary Kate has sported before.
My favorite.
We have the hot dog hat, and he has
Very
his own
fashionable.
Mardi Gras necklace. And then we also have my favorite, the chicken hat.
Oh, I'm gonna have to go with the chicken.
The chicken? All right, Tyler, so throw that bad boy on, and we'll move on to the good
All right,
stuff.
yeah, so while Tyler's adjusting, we'll get into it. So our headline for today's video is us three experts are all in on this $3 stock. That stock is Chanticleer Holdings. The ticker is BURG. So we're going to tell you exactly why each of us is all in on this stock. But just so you know, Chanticleer Holdings owns, operates, and franchises casual dining concepts in the U.S. as well as internationally. They have Hooters, they have Little Burger, lots of well-known restaurant chains you've probably heard of.
All right, Tyler, so we'll pass it to you. I know we've all been talking about Berg for the past couple weeks. It looks like a great stock right now, and we really love it. So, Tyler, what is in it for you? Why does Berg spring out to you?
Sure, I guess what really stood out to me the most was just the fact that the company just announced that they're going to start incorporating this customer rewards program.
Okay.
But the real catch to it is it's going to be on blockchain technology. So obviously cryptocurrency is continuing to catch on. It's becoming more and more popular. So as that continues to grow, it just has a lot of potential for the industry itself and just for other companies out there. Just to put this in perspective, the company, after they announced that they were going to actually do this rewards program, the shares shot up 50%.
Right, yeah, I remember that.
Immediately after. So I mean, that just kind of gives you a taste of where it could go. I think other companies, they may even start to, follow Berg's lead once they start to implement this. So
I agree. And one thing just to note on that is it's not just a blockchain or crypto stock. So don't be frightened off by that. But you make a good point. It jumped over 50% when it announced its blockchain rewards program. But it also has obviously the strength of the companies underneath it to pair with the blockchain technology moving forward. So Mary Kate, how about you? What do you think about Berg?
All right, so like we said, this is a $3 stock. That makes it a penny stock. I really like this stock because of the technical analysis aspect. A lot of times penny stocks can be seen as volatile. They do really big jumps up and down on the chart. And it can be a little scary for people to get in despite the cheaper price. So Chanticleer Holdings, Berg, is kind of unusual in the fact that it has been extremely steady. You can look at that daily chart right there. Short term, it has really just been holding even, which is a great sign, especially as you know, since there has been so much market volatility lately. The fact that it's really held consistent since the start of 2018 is a good sign for how it will do in the future.
Right, I completely agree with that. Good short-term outlook, nice line of support there, like you said. But yeah, I'm also looking at the technical analysis, but I'm looking at the long term. This stock has an upside potential of over 1,100%. It was at 42 something not that long ago, really, and it's under $4 now. So it just looks like a great chart. But the story behind it, of course, is what it's doing with the blockchain technology. Also, how strong the restaurants underlying Chanticleer Holdings are. So yeah, I mean, great looking stock overall, great technicals, great story behind it. It just looks fantastic to me. So there it is, Chanticleer Holdings, BURG, looks like a great pick. These three experts are all in on it, myself included, and Mr. Chicken. So, just take a look at Berg and see how you like it. Well, I have to thank you guys for being here this week.
Definitely.
We'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching the latest episode of WSI TV. Be sure to visit WSITV.com where you can subscribe for free with no contract and gain instant access to the secrets of self-made millionaires via the WSI TV vault. So go ahead and claim WSI TV